Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Roblox Error Code 2. Alright, this issue occurs when you're trying to join a server. Now, is this a problem with your computer or your phone or other devices? Okay, well, not really. Okay, it is a problem with a Roblox site or their servers. So what you'll do is go to find your favorite browser and look for a Roblox status. Okay, and check if everything right here is working. Okay, you'll be able to see right here at the top, all systems operational. That means that everything is working perfectly fine. Now you'll be able to see some status right here or status history. Okay, say for example, today is November 10th and it's currently experiencing issues. Well, that means that you'll have to wait until Roblox fixes the issue. Now, let's say for example, you wanted to check if there's something you can do with your computer or mobile device. Try to use your mobile data while playing the game. Okay, now if you're using your computer, just go ahead over to your search bar right here and type down control panel. Okay, click on control panel right here. Go to the top right, click on this drop down. Make sure that you're under large icons. And once done, click on network and sharing center. There you go. Go to the top left, click on change adapter settings. Now double click on the network that you're currently using. Now click on properties right here at the bottom left. Now locate Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, click on it and click on properties. Like so, and copy my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses, 8888 and 8844. Once that's done, hit on OK, close everything right here. Now go ahead and go to your search bar and type down CMD. Now click on run as administrator. And once that's done, just type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Once done, hit on enter. Now go ahead and close this one and try to play Roblox and check if it helps. Now if that's it will work. Again, wait for Roblox to fix their server. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.